So, present simple, this is our tense. And we've been looking at your friend, Claudia. And we've also been looking at your friends, Andrea and Talis. So, we need to remember that the verb to be and all the other verbs are different. When we talk about use the verb to be, her name is Claudia. She is Claudia. My friend's name is Claudia. These are all the same. We use the verb to be. She's divorced. We found this out. The verb to be, we just use the verb to be. Even in the negative, she is not married. Her name is not Josephine. She is not Josephine. Your friend's name is not Josephine. We just always add not. It's very easy because we use the same verb. But when we look at all the other verbs, we have to play. So when we look at Claudia, when we use the third person, we have to make sure we add the S sound. She works at university. When we go to negative with she, we must change this bit. We have to add the auxiliary verb do, but as a negative. She doesn't. And then the main verb is always present, simple, first person, just like I, you, we, and they. We need to remember that this verb makes this verb simple, first person. She works at university. She doesn't work at a shop. She doesn't eat chili, but she eats pizza, right?
Yes.
She has one son. She doesn't have a daughter. So some verbs are very simple. Eat, eats, work, works. But some of them are a little bit strange, and we have to learn I have, you have, we have, they have, he, she, it has. These are called the strange verbs, the irregular verbs. And we will look at this later. So remember, with he, she, it, we use works or doesn't work. With they, we use they like to travel, they don't like football. We use like, because it's I, you, we, they, like, and they don't like. Remember that whenever we use this little verb, doesn't, the main verb always stays present simple first person. Now, one more thing. I like to look at it like this with present simple. Remember this. I, you, we, they, like, go, run, whatever. He, she, it, likes, goes, runs. We have to make sure we add the third person. Swims, whatever. With he, she, it, we need to make it third person with the S. I, you, we, they, like, go, run, swim. He, she, it, likes, goes, runs, swims. And then when we make it negative, I, you, we, they don't like. He, she, It doesn't like run, swim, go, see, live. So in the present simple, we only add the S in positive sentences. Positive. When it's negative, it's always the basic work. She doesn't work. You don't like. As soon as we use this, the main verb is always basic. It's only in the positive that you change it. She works. He works. It works. I, you, we, they work, like, go. I, you, we, they don't like, don't go, don't run. He, she, it doesn't see, doesn't live, doesn't swim, doesn't like, doesn't run. We only add the S or ES or IES for positive sentences in the third person. Otherwise, no change. I, you, we, they, no change. I, you, we, they don't, no change. He, she, it doesn't, no change. Only in positive for he, she, and it.